Hello kids, good evening. So this is Shipra on behalf of Yellow Class. We are again here with our new DIY activity. I hope you are enjoying our DIY activity. So now, as we all say, let us learn to fly high with Yellow Class DIY. Yes kids, can you see something on my workstation? So I have these happy balloons. So these smiling balloons are there and we are going to make this. And this is quite simple, very easy. Let me just tell you what all things do we need. So we want colors. We want different colors, beautiful, bright colors. And again, I am taking poster colors only, kids. They are easily available. These are watercolors, basically. I need one brush, little water, a thick sheet, my tray for the colors, a thick black sketch pen for the eyes and the face, and I have a surprise. Yes. So you must be thinking what I'm going to do with this shampoo bottle. So we are going to use this, kids, for the shape of the balloon. Yes, so what you can do, if you have a thin shampoo bottle, you can use this kind of a shampoo bottle. If you have a sanitizer bottle which is empty, you can use that. Anything which has got a shape like this, or even little round also, that's perfectly fine. Take care, it should be empty. Okay, so we are simply going to use this and we are going to make this beautiful painting, the happy balloons. Okay, so let me just tell you what I have done. I have taken a brush and I will be using this tissue paper also because I will be cleaning my bottle regularly. Okay, so this tissue paper is also very important. So what I will do, very less water, and I will directly apply it on the corner. So basically, my plans are to apply it on the corner, but still if it's not possible, it's completely fine. Just apply color on this. Or the other thing which I'm going to tell you is, I'm going to tell you again in my next color, just simply press it. Okay. Making 3 green color balloons. If you feel the color is less, then also it's fine, but I'm applying a little bit and we can again put our color bottle directly over here. Okay, kids, I am not going to clean it right now. What I'm going to do, I am going to take another clean brush and will dip it in water and then clean it. Definitely remember to remove extra water and I will just remove it like this. So giving a shading of little dark somewhere little light, I am using only water now. Okay. Again, I will wipe it. I will again remove extra water. And again, I will just apply water like this. See, it is very important that we do one color and then use water to color it. Because otherwise it will completely dry. It will work, but still it will be little difficult. So this way, somewhere you can take dark colors. This will come and somewhere there will be only very little water. So this is done. Again, I am doing this. Now I can just take very less of water So very light green you can see. So somewhere it can be a little dark. So it will be a nice, pretty shaded happy balloons. Okay. So this is done. Now I'm going to wipe this. Next, I'm going to show you other way also so that you can do that also. Just remove this properly. You can even use water for this. You can dip your tissue in this and you can remove it. So you will be requiring a good amount of tissue, and that's the reason I always tell we can use this new toilet tissue roll, and even then we can later on use it for our craft activities. So two-purpose solved, yes? Okay, so now I'm taking my red color, kids, or let me take my blue color. So this is a light blue shade. I am now taking it on my this mixing tray, and I will very less of water again and extra color so that I don't have to again take more blue color, and I will just push my bottle inside. Any bottle will do. Okay. Just press it. Again, I will dip it here. See that everywhere you have color and you can simply press it. Okay. So this is also done. This is a nice way because this way we are using less of our color. I have wiped it right now only. Okay. Okay. I will keep my brush this side and I will take another brush, a thin brush again, and just remove the extra water, and I will use it to give this. Again, I have removed the extra water. I'm just cleaning my brush once more. Again, taking little water and just giving a color like this. So at times looks like that there is no color, but yes, a little shading of that water is coming. So I want that effect also. That some places there is more color and some places there is almost no color. Remove extra water. And so this is also done. Now I am taking my red color and then I will take my yellow color. So this brush, I have wiped it properly. As I told you, we will be using, you can even use a cloth. I am taking this red color of mine and putting it on my plate like this. I have already shown that I have wiped my bottle. I will push it here. Taking care that I have all the colors on all the sides. Again. Okay. And this is done. So you can make 2 balloons, 3 balloons, and I will again wipe it. I will take a tissue and I will clearly wipe it. Now I will be coloring this. So I am taking one more brush and just removing extra water and doing the shading part. Somewhere there will be more colors, as I told you. Somewhere there will be less colors. We'll take our last color and then we'll just draw the threads. So this is my last color, which is the yellow color. Again, I have just put it on the plate nicely. On my mixing plate, I have cleaned it properly. I will just simply press it. So I am just putting it here and I will just see, no, it will not come. So we'll leave it like this only. We'll just see if we can do it. Okay, a little bit here. Okay, so I have done it. And now we just remove extra water and take the yellow color in. Again, the extra water, again the extra water I have removed and simply taken this like this. And we are done with the balloons. We'll hardly take 2 to 3 minutes more to finish our painting. And we'll take this brown color, or if you want to take any other color also, that's good enough. Kids, you want to take black or any other color, I am taking brown. I will just dip it here and very thin lines I will do. Like the way we draw for our tree and all, but that's not a tree, that's our balloon. The bunch of happy balloons we have. The extra strings we are going to take it like this. And we are done with this card. Now, as I told you, I will be requiring this sketch pen and I will see, yes, this is wet, and I will just put simple 2 dots for the eyes and a smile. Just see the ones which we have done earlier, we will finish those first. Otherwise, if they are wet, then Just 2 dots because I'm using a thick sketch pen and a smiley. 2 dots and a smiley. 2 dots and a smiley. And you want to put a ribbon, you can. I am not doing it. In the previous painting, I have done it. A small bow I have done, but this time I'm not doing it. So, or you want me, I can show you quickly about this bow also. It's again with this thick sketch pen only, and it's just a simple bow. Which is just there as if it is tying all the so basically 2 V's and a ribbon kind of a thing, and your bow is also done. So I have done the bow also. So you can see our happy balloons are ready. So you can make it, you can take any bottle. It can be oval, it can be little round. That's perfectly fine and you can easily make it. Hope kids, it's clear. The instructions were slow. You were able to make it. And it's time to say bye to Shipra. And we are going to meet again with our next DIY activity. Thank you for watching this video. Love you. Take care. Bye-bye.